Thanks for subscribing and joining me on my quest to explore the healing powers of photography. Part 1 of my new series delves into the healing potential of photography through my own journey as a physician amidst a deadly pandemic. As I faced the overwhelming challenges and despair that came with treating patients afflicted by COVID-19, I found solace and respite in capturing moments of beauty and wonder through my camera lens. A pivotal decision to travel to the African continent amidst the chaos and uncertainty of the pandemic truly opened my eyes and heart to the world around me. Surrounded by the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture of Africa, I began to see the power of photography in a new light. It became a tool not only for capturing moments, but also for finding moments of peace and joy in the midst of turmoil. Through my travels, I encountered special individuals who guided me on my path back to personal recovery through the art of photography. Their guidance and support reignited a sense of purpose within me, allowing me to find healing and hope in the midst of darkness. Join me on this transformative journey as we explore the power of photography in the face of adversity.
But the best thing and the most amazing thing here is just the quiet. It's just so quiet. Well, more to come.